Cruel Summer by, who's this by? Maisie Peters. Cool little Brazilian vibe to it. I'm going to show you a couple different inversions of how to play this. It's basically the same moves over and over. It's very hypnotic. To take it slowly in the first position is just an A minor 7th to a D minor 7th. Okay. Then you can hit a G 7th to a C major 7th. And then an F major 7th. You can do it several ways. Let's do it this way. Okay, because that one's pretty easy. And then to a B minor 7th. And then an E 7th, this is a major, to the A minor 7th. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Now the way it's got a Brazilian rhythm to it. That's kind of key to it. The only other thing that happens is at the end of each verse it goes, and then it goes to an E 7th. Wondering what I was doing there. That looked a little fancier, right? I went to the second position on this, and I'm going to show you that because I think it's worth knowing for those of you that are comfortable with bar chords. So the first position, I'll take it one more time very slowly for you. A minor 7th, D minor 7th. Looks just like an F except for with an open D. And then just a kind of a Joan Baez chord here. G 7th. And then a C major 7th, which you can also do this way. You want a full chord? Now there's two ways to do the F major 7th. There's many ways. Here's one. I know Jason likes this one because it's just like a C, but you move all these down one, right? And sometimes simplicity is the key. And then it goes to a B minor 7th, so you know a B minor looks like this. So lift your pinky up and you got a 7th. Here's the 7th to B, right, as an A. And then to an E 7th, like that, or you can put your pinky down here on the 7th to an A minor. And then it rests on the E major for the just to quickly show you what I'm doing there, because it's worth noting. I'm hitting I'm pinching the A minor, and then doing a little arpeggio on the D, and then pinching the G 7th, and spelling out the C major 7th, then pinching the F major 7th, and then downstroke on the B minor 7th, and then E to A. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another voicing which will sound a little bit different, but this also I like the sound of. I'm doing an A minor 7th, sorry, right here. If you don't know that chord, of that version of that chord, it's cool and it's handy because you got your second finger on the 5th fret of the low E. I don't play the open A string. You can. But I generally just take my 3rd finger and bar the whole 5th fret, so it looks like that. Now here's why this sounds so cool. Check it out. Okay? I'll take that slowly for you. A minor 7th there. And here I'm going to a next inversion of a D minor 7th. Looks like this. If you went back to your A minor 7th and moved all the way up to the 5th fret, you'd have that form. Just barring this finger, okay? Then I hit a G7th like this. Okay, it's a bar chord, just like a G bar chord, but minus your pinky, so it sounds like this. And then I'm hitting this version of a C major 7th. Okay, you can see that. And then I'm going to go to this version of the F major 7th. Which could do this. It's just like an A minor with an F note up here. To a B minor 7th, that works. To that E7th, and again you can get your pinky in there if you want. To the A minor. And then when you rest on the E7th, do it like that. It looks just like a C7th chord. Move up to the 7th fret. So now I'm going to do all those inversions together and show you the difference. Next inversion. One last note on this chord. If you learn this chord like this goes out to anybody who has trouble with bar chords. Once you get this one, it's cool because you can do stuff like, you know, go to that D7th really easily. So that's just something that I get into later, but that is a cool little song. I think it's a great little chill song, Maisie Peters' Sad Girl Summer. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe down below. Hit me up if you got any comments. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.